going to make keto blueberry muffins and share with you my recipe. They are so moist and taste fabulous. Grüezi and welcome back to Keto Mountain from beautiful Switzerland. My name is Karima. My blueberry muffins are fantastic for brunch, for snack, for dessert. Easy grab and go if you are hungry. For the products I am using today and where to get it from, I listed down below in the info box. So now, before we get started, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and let's bake. So, for our 12 muffins we will need 150 grams of blueberries, frozen, 150 grams of sweetener, I am using monk fruit, 120 grams of melted butter, 200 grams of almond flour, 4 eggs, 80 grams of flaxseed flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 16 grams of baking powder, 2 pinches of salt, and to top of the muffins, we will need some chopped almond or any nuts that you like, as well as some frozen berries. Let's put the dry ingredient together. I have here almond flour, flaxseed flour, monk fruit, baking powder, and the salt. Combine everything together. Then add the melted butter. Take the eggs and whisk them a little bit. Then add them to the mix. Vanilla extract. Mix everything until it's well combined. I am adding here the frozen blueberries. Gently fold them in. Line your cupcake baking pan with cupcake paper. I am filling each one at a time with my ice cream scoop. Divide the batter evenly to ensure consistency of cupcake size. Top with chopped almonds and frozen berries. Bake them in your preheated oven for 35 minutes. Look at this beauty. The smell is just wow. Let them cool off for a little bit before you take them out. Look at that, they are so moist. Again, thank you so much for watching and let me know if you have any question.